figured I should document this monumentous moment. What's going on, guys? Back with video number 2. I just wanted to showcase my 3D printer that I just got and what my plan is with it. I talked about doing 3D printing as well as TIG welding in my last video, so I just wanted to go over some more of the 3D printing side this time. So I just want to go through, blooper reel. Just want to go through some of the things that I've done with the 3D printer so far. Printed out a few things that are just models that were online. And I really want to get into 3D modeling and making some of my own designs, but I'm just going to run through some of the things that I printed so far. So first off, I got this guy. It's a little pencil pen holder, kind of nice, kind of cool. The X1C did a phenomenal job. I'll show you guys just like some of the details. You can see it turned out awesome. Printed out this little funnel. It works for the desiccant stuff that dries filament. It's for the little holders that I have actually in the AMS up there, but this is just kind of a cool one. Also printed out a coaster. I know it's not that cool, but something that was on Maker World. And then this one was my first modification of a design. I actually took this one, scaled it up some, and printed myself a bigger one. So this one works great on my desk. I use this one for my big coffee mug, and this one for beer cans when I want to indulge after work. This was my very first print. I have a video of that all cut in here so you guys can see. I figured I should document this monumentous moment. I am printing my very first print. Gotta start with a Benchy. It's the first print that should come off every 3D printer. Hey Whiskey, what you think? Hi buddy. Celebrity appearance. Look. Whiskey, come here. What's this? What is that? Anyways, Benchy. So, talked about wanting to get into 3D modeling. This was my first 3D model. A Lego block. I printed multiple of them and fit together like Legos. Pretty cool. I printed a whole stack of them, but they're holding up my computer right now to make the angle right so I can use my keyboard. But yeah, some of the things that I've done. I've got some ideas for some products that I want. I see you watching and not hitting that subscribe button. Change that now. Press it. Do it. Press the button. Press the thing. Do it. See a lot of people print products and sell them, but they're not their own designs, and I don't know, I have a problem with that. I mean, I don't have a problem with it, I don't want to go down that route. So I really want to print my own things and potentially make a product line that I can sell. So I have an idea to make an accessory for flashlights. So this may be a finger loop. It goes right there, stick your finger through it. Helps you hang on the flashlight, as well as if you are using the flashlight as well as your other hand, it just makes hanging onto that flashlight a little bit easier. Because I want to make it 2 pieces so that it basically sandwiches together on the flashlight like that. And the idea is that this piece that is not the loop side can have different accessories on it. So like it can either have one with a clip, so like a little clip that comes kind of like is normally on a flashlight, or you can have a smooth one that's just smooth to grab, a little more comfortable in the hand, things like that. Or you can make them like decorative, things like that. So just wanted to make this as my first one while I'm learning how to 3D model, and I want to bring you guys along for the journey. So this is going to be part 1 of that series, basically showing you what I have so far. Stay tuned. Peace out.